Happy na birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
birthday. Video ni Ed.
Happy birthday to you.
Mana?
Yay! Happy birthday, Duchess!
Wala yung kabawan eh.
Of course. Love it.
Wala dong.
Uy, ayaw, kuha na, kinanay pulpul na.
I love you too, dong. Na-touch lagi ko. Nag-cake. Wala ko nag-cake.
Okay ba? Nalit kandol. Oh, fountain.
Roman candle.
Diskuhan, uso na. Uso.
Kana na dito.
Happy na birthday. Ako ay chocolate na gawin ka.
Kana may gamit.
Asa ka nagpalit, Bing?
Ha?
Kana.
Gapon pa sa kwan.
Di ko kahibaw.
Iyon na awan na ni una-una. Nga akong paliton. Kung na-cake, at least na something.
Dito.
Kung na-cake, why cake?
Yeah.
Walay cake ba? Kung nakay-cake daw, wakay cake ka sikat.
Oh, that just deserves this celebration.
Yeah. Wow. Can you please explain why?
Because why? Never mind why from last year, but
Yes.
bottom line, that just deserves this celebration.
In one word or less, can you please explain why?
That just deserves this celebration. That's
Wala akong pakialam. I love the white stuff. White chocolate hindi ko.
Because from oh,
Nelson!
encouraging me to ask about last year. No, that
Hello.
just
Happy
deserves-
birthday,
Birthday!
That just
Atong
deserves
bidyohan kay wala na yung
celebration.
wala na gini, di na ni kanumdum.
Yes, because if that
Asa
just
itong pagkatong gang.
Ugma Amisha strikes.
kaya kung wala nag-celebrate sa Duchess
Wala.
for the longest time,
Wala ka lang live.
wala yan na. Ikaw man. Sa last year magod, nagmamoy magod siya kay tungod sa kataw, no? So muna, this is the reason why she
Wala lang
deserves.
yung cake ni Trisha.
Kami na,
Ay, cook. Yeah, po. Samba.
Itip.
Duchess deserves a celebration this year.
Yes.
Because she didn't have such a celebration.
And brought to you by
for the
Red
longest
Horse.
time, or last year, for the longest time.
For the longest time, hindi lang last year.
She deserves a celebration.
Pwede ako ni ganyan.
She deserved a celebration. She deserved an acceptable reason.
And also
Norman?
Emperador Light. Ay,
Ay, ano tika yun?
Sponsored by Sprite.
and also Sprite. Thank you, man.
Mura ko na ni.
Adi ay.
Alright!
Ta-
Lord!
Smoke ka.
Si Norman, kay Gugba.
Swerte ka, kanala kong buwan mo, buwan ka.
Ayong dugtog.
But,
But,
Duchess deserves a celebration.
Yeah.
Boy, don't you agree?
Yes, I agree. That's why we're celebrating, di ba? That's why we're happy. Good vibes.
Vibes.
Good vibes.
Because for the longest time, Duchess didn't have that, and now Duchess has that.
What's that, Tom?
Yes, yes. Don't do that.
Bog, sige tawa. Buwasan.
That's on video, for God's sake.
mo na inungdan sa tequila.
Edit. Joshua. Kasi si Bimbi Aquino. Edit.
Yeah, Duchess deserves that because Duchess is such a good friend.
Mana, okay na ni. Okay na siguro ni.
Wala.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, sure. Cut. Wait. She deserves the celebration?
She deserves
Why?
an acceptable
Raise your hand. Who among you love me?
Who among you,
Who
among?
among you love me?
Yeah.
We love you, Duchess. That's why they're here.
Did I?
I'm not raising my
Kinsa ka
hands.
mo? Kinsay hupog?
Yeah!